Hello students, altitude and median of a triangle. Under this, today we will see the next part of the lesson, that is the activities we are going to see to find out the location of orthocenter. First of all, yesterday we seen how to find the orthocenter of means activity we had done, how to find the orthocenter, and inside it only we studied that how to find the orthocenter of which, that is the acute angle triangle. Okay, then today we are going to see how to find the orthocenter of inner right angle triangle, then obtuse angle triangle, and that activity we had seen it yesterday only. Okay, so from this and we will learn the next points. So first of all, let me clear you one thing, that is the, if we draw, what is the definition of altitude? I told you before only, the perpendicular drawn from a vertex of a triangle, from vertex of triangle to its opposite side, to its opposite side is called as a altitude. Means this is the point A and this AB is the altitude on BC. From point C, the altitude is on point B. So in a right angle triangle, okay, in a right angle triangle, the altitude means AB is a altitude on BC and CB is a altitude on AB, means these two are the altitudes. So two vertex altitude is one vertex, another vertex means A and C, from point A and from point C. From these 2 points, if we draw the altitude, we get the another, that is the altitude on point B. Now we have to find out only one vertex altitude, and that point is the B, and B's altitude on its opposite side, and that is the AC, it is on D. Okay, let's see the construction of this, and then we will just means and if we join these three altitudes, means this is AB, BC and DB, and the altitude means orthocenter is the vertex where the triangle forms its right angle. Okay, so B is the altitude orthocenter for triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, then we will see the construction of this. So first of all, by using protractor we will draw the right angle triangle. Okay, so okay, see here how to draw the right angle triangle.
These 2 points. Okay, now we can join other 2 points.
Join these 2 points.
So this is right angle triangle. Give the name
Okay,
ABC. Okay, this is right angle triangle. Now we are
now here we drawn the right angle triangle ABC, and now what we have to do here, we have to draw the altitude. As I told you before only, the altitude, just I shown you in the textbook, altitude from the point A is at point B, okay, and C is at point B, and now we have to draw the altitude from point B. If you see, so we have to hold our set square in this method. With one side of the set square we have to join, okay, adjust with the AC, okay, and another side of the line we have to take it side of the set square we have to put and B, and we have to draw this altitude. Okay, and this is our altitude on point B. Okay, so from point B the altitude we drawn it here AB. Okay, so AB is the altitude on BC, okay, at point B. CB is the altitude on point B, okay, and then we drawn it here B, that is the altitude from the point to the, okay, so this is the right angle, we can see here, it is measure is the 90 degree. Okay, from A the measure is 90. Altitude definition is the, it is only the the point at which we get the right angle on the vertex. This point is called as a altitude. Okay, so that we seen it here, and BC is also, this is there, and all these three altitudes meet each other at point B, at point B. Okay, so here we got the, in a right angle triangle, if you see here, so from this construction we understand that, that is AB is perpendicular on, AB is perpendicular on BC, AB is perpendicular on BC, then BC is perpendicular on AB, and here suppose I will give the name to it, that is the D, then BD is perpendicular on which, that is the AC. Means in this figure inside, AB, BC and BD, these are the three altitudes. Okay, and these three altitudes means AB, BC and BD, these three altitudes meet each other at point O, and according to the definition of the orthocenter, it is the point of, what is altitude? Altitude is the point of concurrence of a orthocenter. What is orthocenter? Orthocenter is the point of concurrence of the three altitudes of a triangle, and so in this point B is the altitude of the triangle ABC, and it is a right angle triangle. Okay, so that we see now how to find the which, that is the orthocenter for the right angle triangle. After this we will move towards how to find the orthocenter for the right angle triangle, for the acute angle triangle. Okay, so in this figure inside, the PQR is a obtuse angle triangle. If you see here, PQR is a obtuse angle. See here, PQR is a obtuse angle triangle, and for this triangle its altitude, PQ's altitude will come here. Okay, then altitude, and how to do this construction, that I will show you the second activity. Third activity just I shown you in first lecture only, it is similar like these steps of construction, and now we will see to draw the, here to draw the obtuse angle triangle, and all the altitudes we have to draw for this. Okay, and they intersect each other where, at point O. This is we have to find. Okay, so for that we will draw the obtuse angle triangle here. Okay, we have to draw its altitudes. So first of all, draw the triangle LMN. It is a which type of triangle? It is a obtuse angle triangle, and one by one we'll draw its altitude. So first of all, you have to hold the triangle set square. See here, adjust with MN, one side adjust with ML, and take the L as a vertex. Okay, adjust the scale in this way, take a set square now. Okay, set square take, and afterwards just first of all we will increase this length of the MN. Okay, then it is easy for us to take a altitude. Now set square just take, adjust its one side on the MN and the another side on the L, and draw the perpendicular or the altitude from the point L to the, from the point L to the MN. This is the altitude from the vertex L. Okay, and this is A, that is A. Let's name it as A. Now what we have to do here, extend from point M, let us draw the altitude for the line LN from point M, okay, so this is the altitude from the point M. Now only, and that we will name it as a B. Now we have to draw the altitude from point L. We drawn the altitude from point M we drawn the altitude, and now we will draw the altitude for the, and before that we will extend the LM, because n's altitude will be below the obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so for that we will take, just here we extend the LM. Now hold the protractor in this way. Just see, you have to do the construction, similar construction. Okay, and then join the vertex N and draw the perpendicular on LM, and that point is point C. Now name it as a point C. Now if you see here, according to the definition what I told you, according to the definition what I told you, definition, the orthocenter is the point of concurrence of the three of the altitude. So for that what we will do, we will extend these altitudes and we will get the point of the concurrence of these three altitudes, and that is the orthocenter. Okay, so let us extend it. So here, so just extend the LA below the this. Now NB, extend NB. Okay, and then MB, then MB. Okay, now join this and you got it here, a single point, that is the point O, that is the point O, and this is the orthocenter for the triangle which LMN, that is the obtuse angle triangle. This is limit as a O. Okay, now in this figure inside we took here LMN as a obtuse angle triangle, LMN as a obtuse angle triangle, and we drawn its altitude, that is LA perpendicular on MN. Okay, LA perpendicular on MN. Similarly, that is MB perpendicular on LN, and then LC perpendicular on NO. Okay, and after getting that, what we had done, we extend the altitude. Okay, and we got it this point, that is the point called as a point orthocenter. Okay, then let us move towards the textbook. So from these three activities, first activity we seen, that is this one, activity 1. Second, activity 2 means for obtuse angle triangle, just now we seen, and yesterday we seen the proper activity to understand the what, that is how to find out the orthocenter for the acute angled triangle. So from these three activities what we are understanding, we understood that the orthocenter of right angle triangle, the orthocenter of the right angle triangle is the vertex of a triangle only where the right angle forms. Okay, in a right angle triangle, where is the orthocenter located? At the one of the vertex of the triangle. For obtuse angle triangle, if we seen it here, we took here angle triangle element, we took here the, for obtuse angle triangle, the location of the orthocenter is the exterior of the, means this is our obtuse angle triangle, and here it is the location of the exact location of orthocenter, means exterior of the triangle. And for acute angle triangle, orthocenter locates inside the circle. So these are the three activities, means for right angle triangle it is one of the vertex is the orthocenter, for obtuse angle triangle orthocenter is the one of the orthocenter is exterior of the triangle, and for acute angle triangle orthocenter locates in the inside the triangle only. So here it is given that the altitude of the triangle pass through the exact one point, that means that they are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called as orthocenter and it is denoted by letter O. So here for right angle triangle, orthocenter is the vertex of triangle. For obtuse angle triangle, the orthocenter locates exterior of the triangle, and for the acute angle triangle, orthocenter is interior of the triangle. So today we seen the exact location of the what, orthocenters of the triangle, and tomorrow we will see the median of the triangle. Okay, and then what happens, we will finish our lesson number which, that is the 4 altitude and the medians of a triangle. So today we will stop here only. All of you do this construction, 3 of the construction yesterday's also, and these 1 2 3 constructions you have to do in your notebook and complete and send me. So today we'll stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.